All right, everyone on the internet will tell you some specific viral hacks or strategies or niches, but today I will be literally giving you my playbook and my systems how I find hidden viral niches, ideas, topic before anyone else, and I'm gonna give it to you everything for absolutely free. So I'm not going to show you what are things viral. So I'm not going to give you a fish. I'm going to teach you how to fish. I've put together my systems and processes and my actual strategies, how I do it. I put together it. I'm going to give you that playbook for absolutely free. So stay till the end. Okay. This is so powerful. Okay. So you come to Viral Seek. This is the application. This is the AI tool that I've literally built from my experience, right? Of generating more than $12 million in sales, right? Using AI, I put together every single thing there, okay? So all you gotta do, it's very powerful, okay? Just click on Discover, and then I give you multiple options, right? Do you want to know viral niches, viral topics, viral concepts, viral things about Instagram, about YouTube videos, about YouTube shorts, or about TikTok? Up to you, right? All right, so let's begin. Okay, so let's say I wanted to know everything about productivity, right? Let's say I am creating a content about productivity, spiritual and stuff like that, right? So all I have to do is just put in productivity, right? And you can actually customize your searches and customize your keywords, customize your search term. Here you can go absolutely, you can put multiple words, you can put anything you want. And then I also give you, as I already mentioned, right, is the platform, right? You want to find viral concepts on Instagram, on YouTube video, on YouTube, about YouTube shorts or TikTok, right? So let's say I want to do Instagram. Or do you want to do like last 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 365 days? Let's say I do default, right? Generate research, boom. That's how it's going to work, right? So what's going to do, there's going to be AI agents. Literally, you just just imagine this is like a horse racing, right? So there is this crazy AI agents that just went online, right, to complete the task. And the task is to find viral videos or concepts or things from Instagram, right? Around your topic that you put in, right? That will appear in my vaults tab, right? If you see, you will see that, okay, productivity thing, it's processing right now, right? And it will take anywhere between a minute or two, right? By the way, whatever I'm showing you, you will have this for absolutely free. Do not have to pay a single dollar, free, unlimited, okay? So I'm just going to refresh it. It takes, because your AI agents are working behind the scenes, going to Instagram, going to all these places and finding it's not going to give you just another video that just came online about productivity. Instead, it's going to actually show you the videos that went viral, right? That got X number of views in under X number of hours, X number of likes under X, like all the logic and the concepts and the strategies I use myself to create advertisement content, ad copy, copywriting, YouTube videos, anything, right? Blog posts, social posts, right? This is just crazy, guys, right? Previously, we had it in previous video. We did talk about a little bit about YouTube, but this actually goes to a next level and shows you Instagram, YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, and TikTok. The opportunity is crazy here, okay? And then, with ChatGPT and with Gemini, the problem is if you go there and if you search for and if you ask it like, okay, can you give me a viral worthy script for this concept or this product that I'm building that revolves around productivity and stuff like that? It's what it's gonna give you, right? It's gonna give you such a basic, lame, not so humanist, not so human like, so AI-ish content, okay? What this is gonna do, right? And this next feature, what I'm gonna show you, is gonna blow your mind, okay? That means you can chat with viral videos. You can chat with them, ask them, like, okay, just the same concept, right? You can extract the DNA of their viral, their structure, the concept, and ask it to do it for your idea, do it for your concept, right? So you're ethically stealing the things that work. So you're not reinventing the wheel. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from something that is already, has proven itself. And that is the power. It is doing its job it will take anywhere between a minute to 5 based on how many videos it finds. Sometimes it finds you 100, 200,000 videos, right? Or sometimes it will only find you 10 videos or 20 videos, right? But the idea here is instead of you having to actually go on the internet, sit there for hours, just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and not knowing which video to actually create or what actually went viral, you can literally put this before you go to bed, or by the time you wake up, put this, do your stuff, do the work that you love, take your coffee, go for a morning walk, spend time with your family, spend the things that you love doing. I love creating content for you guys, so that's what I'm able to do while my AI agents are working for me. But you can do whatever you want, right? Go for a jog, go for an exercise, do whatever you want, go do yoga, do everything. And by the time you come back, AI agent would have already done the work for you, and then all you got to do is just see and then actually start with something that has potential backed by data. That is the thing, right? So I'm just gonna hit refresh just to see is it done, because it probably, okay, boom, there you go, it is completed, and it has found me 36 reels, okay, that revolves around productivity topic. And then I see like boom, 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 boom. I see 2 million likes, 2.8K likes, right? Boom, boom. And it's like multiple pages, right? And then some of them are AI, some of them are not AI. That is not what I want, right? That's not what you want. Basically, what you will like. Okay, let me rephrase this, right? That's not what you are looking for. What you are actually looking for is the concept or the trend or the hooks or the structure, that DNA that worked for other people, so you can do it for yourself. Now, how would you do it, right? Let's say I like this video got 24,000 likes, okay? I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on get transcript, okay? This is game changer, guys. This is what I'm actually super excited about, okay? Now I'm gonna click on get transcript, and then let it do its magic. I'm gonna come to script studio. So think of this as a notebook LM, right? But for all the other social media platform, meaning you can add resources or sources from viral concepts, and then you can ask chat with it, right? That's crazy, guys. Okay, so you click on start new chat, and then it's gonna give you like productivity and one content. As you can see, it's the concept, the content that you have put together, and then you just have to click on plus, just like how you would do in notebook LM, right? And then all you gotta do is just simple, easy peasy, right? Let's say I'm gonna do right. All right, so I'm gonna do something like this. I want to create next content on how students who are preparing for their exams, specifically computer science, right? What are some secret ways, or not secret ways, what are some ways they can boost their productivity? And then I'm going to do something like use the viral structure from this video, and give me the script in paragraph format, right? Boom, easy. I'm just gonna hit enter. Easy peasy, okay? And this is just nuts, guys. Think about this, right? It's gonna think about it, right? It is your chat GPT, but for viral concepts. You can talk to viral videos. You can literally talk to a viral video why you went viral. So amazing, right? The strategies and the systems that I put behind it, it's very crazy. Stay till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can get it for absolutely free forever, to use it forever, for life, unlimited times, okay? That's the power, right? That is the power, right? It's kind of understanding, it's taking its processes. And by the way, another thing, you could literally like add multiple sources, just like how you can, do it in notebook LM. So you could take a viral video from TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, and you can take 2 videos from TikTok and 3 videos from Instagram, put it together, ask it, have it like, you see that you see now how it is actually connecting the dots, and then by the time you get it, like, no AI can give you this crazy outcome, right? That's what prompt engineering is, right? That's what we call prompt engineering. Is not about how you write the prompt. It's not about how you what are the hacks, what are the things you do. It's about actually how do you put the context, right? The context you give it is what matters ultimately, right? In the previous video as well, we showed it, right? The context matter here more than anything else. The context, you give it a like, again, right? But like, garbage in, garbage out, gold in, gold out. Simple concept, right? It's a machine, right? You give an absolutely not so crazy, not so amazing video, right? And you ask it to kind of learn from it and do it a video. It's obviously going to learn from a bad concept. But if you give it a viral concept, it will give you another viral worthy concept, right? And then the good thing about this is you can also get inspiration about like how the guy kind of visually put it together. So if you are shooting it, if you're creating it using AI or anything, right, you at least get an idea of not just how to speak but how to present it as well, because that's also a very big part. So that's the thing, right? As you can see, it is taking some time, and sometimes it can take some time, right? So while it is taking some time, let me actually show you, right? So if you haven't joined the community, right, our free, absolutely free school community, you are missing out on gold. Because what my goal is, right? My goal is to teach anyone, regardless of their experience, right, the essential skills they need to survive and thrive in the AI era. That's it. I'm going to use my experience of generating 15, 18, $20 million in sales, okay, in the past few years, just using AI, right? I'm going to put together everything. I'm going to create like literally playbooks and processes. I'm going to hand it to you for absolutely free. That's my goal, okay? So that's the reason I'm not charging it, right? This thing would cost like, like thousands of dollars in just pure value, right? But hey, take it. I want you to succeed. I want you to grow, right? Take my playbooks, go with it. Because again, right, ideas and concepts and everything are great. Execution, I want you to execute. I don't want you to get stuck. I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to feel tired. I don't want you to feel left behind. I don't want you to feel like that you're leaving these things because things are moving so fast. I am here to give you every single thing that you need at your fingertips, the latest, the greatest strategies, right? That nobody would like. Everybody would put it behind a paywall because unfortunate reality of this world. Anyways, so you basically get the school community absolutely free. And another thing, how do you get it? All right, so once you join the school community, I will be posting the link there as well, but you can directly go to viralseek.ai. Go ahead, go to this. It's absolutely free, no credit cards or anything like that. Just get started for free and just put in your information and you'll receive a credential for this application and tool absolutely free to your email, right? Now for it to work, we are using behind the scenes some applications and stuff like that, just like how I mentioned. Not application, I would say some systems, right? That are powered by Gemini, that are powered by script creators, that are powered by Appify. All you gotta do is get your free account, each of them, get their API keys and put them, right? So one would be obviously your Appify, which we already know. You used it. Just come here, go to settings, right? Click on settings, go to APIs, and you'll get the keys. Click create a new key, get the key related to Google AI Studio. Same thing, right? Just go to click on get API key here, and then just click on create new API key, and boom, easy. Another thing is go to script creators. They give you a free credits, right? Very generous free credits. Come here, and all the links, every single thing step by step I put together in our school community, right? And we share so many things. So if you don't want to miss out, please do join it, okay? And if you're loving this content, make sure you like and you hit subscribe, okay? Seems like something is not right here, okay? So what I would do, right? I just want to be transparent, right? Sometimes it can be like that. What it might be that the engine behind it got stuck. So you don't have to worry about it. You just have to copy this, right? Make sure you put the right make sure you put the right API keys. Oh, it kind of came. Very interesting. It probably my internet was stuck or something. Anyway, that's good, right? So I did everything right, because sometimes I feel like, maybe I did wrong, because, maybe are all humans, right? Anyways, okay, rating productivity hacks for first up, Pomodoro techniques. Now I'm gonna say a 7. It's great for staying focused, but if you deepen a code flow, say boom, 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 right? That's an 8. If you're just explaining your logic to a literal wall, it forces your brain to just boom, 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 boom. There you go, right? And then again, right? If you ask it like, okay, give me a detailed 300 words, 400 words, 600 words, 1,000 words, it's gonna learn from this concept piece, right? This source, and then you can put multiple source, right? Let me actually show you one more thing, okay? I really want to show you. Go to Discover again and just type something like, and then be creative with this, guys, okay? That's one thing I want to focus on. I want you to force this thing is be creative with this, right? Just don't go like productivity, right? Think about what are those kind of keywords and concepts and things that people would actually type, or people would actually be using, content creators, right? You could do like link in bio, comment, people put that in their captions and stuff like that, right? So that's the thing. So let's see, let's do keto, right? Let's do keto, for example, right? Start with broad and then go narrow, right? And then let's do Instagram, and then let's do generate the search, and boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? That's it. That's the power, right? It's gonna do. It is finalizing and it is analyzing thousands of data points on keto. It's a deep dive. It can take up to 5 to 15 minutes. As I said, go do the work that you want to do. Take a break, and then come back under my walls, and then you will see you will see the magic there, right? So just let it do its job. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this video now. I'm gonna let it do it, and I'm gonna continue from there. Cool, awesome. Let me just do that. All right, so it took like 5 minutes or something, and then the research is here as I am refreshing it. And keto, boom, there you go. It found 22 viral videos, and boom, 53,000 likes, 100,000 likes, 22.8 thousand likes, right? 56,000 likes, and you can go to different things. You have 12,000 likes, and there you go, right? You got things that you want, and now you can actually reverse engineer the way to your growth, to your success, right? As I said, it's about actually giving context, and that will be the future, guys. I'm telling you, right? Nobody's talking about this right now until it gets too late or outdated, right? Right now with AI, it's everything about context, right? It's not about your prompt, it's your context. You give again, garbage in, garbage out, gold in, gold out. Simple machine, okay? So I hope you loved it. If you loved it, make sure you like and subscribe, and to get it for absolutely free, first, I highly recommend you to School Community. Absolutely free, join it. That's going to give you like 10x of this value. That's what you got from this. Plus, I will also recommend you to directly just go there, sign up, right? And then it will just send you like credentials, right? And once you put in your keys there, right? Just like I showed you under settings. And then in the School Community, anyways, I mentioned it, but just Gemini, Apify, Script Creators, you're good. No need to know how to code. No need to be in technical experience in order to get started with this so powerful tool. I'll talk to you in the next one. I hope you have a great day, night, and afternoon, wherever you're watching it from. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care. Love you all.